In this short lecture, we're going to talk a little bit about dictionary use. Sometimes when you're reading, you can use context clues to figure out what a word means, but sometimes there's a word that you don't know, and it's very important to the text, and you can't figure it out from context clues. So you have to use a dictionary. Now, there's a lot of information that a dictionary can provide about words. It can provide the definition, but it can actually provide so much more. So we're going to do a little bit of study about some of the different things that you can learn about a word from the dictionary. So here you can see a dictionary entry for the word prefix, and there's a lot of different things that we can notice from this dictionary entry. So here is the entry word itself, prefix. But also we can see things like here is the pronunciation, the first pronunciation, the stress marks. The definitions are here, and there's alternate definitions. 1, 2, different definitions. Lots of words have more than one definition. Some even have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or more definitions. We can also see here the part of speech. Different definitions might have different parts of speech. Words that we can derive from that word. The origin of the word. In other words, this word comes from Latin. And lots of other things that we can learn from the word. Different dictionaries use different systems of abbreviations or different pronunciation symbols, so it's very important for you to become familiar with a dictionary that you like in English and the symbols that it uses. I'm going to recommend an online dictionary that you use, okay? So this is the webpage for learnersdictionary.com. This is one of my favorite dictionaries. I think it's really great for non-native speakers of English. So I'm going to look up the word prefix in this dictionary and show you some of the things here. So you'll notice that for prefix, it's got 2 definitions. It also gives us the pronunciation. If I click this speaker icon, it plays for me. I don't think you can hear that on the video. And then it gives me the definition for noun, the definition for a verb. It gives me the pronunciation written. It tells me if it's a noun, how I can make it plural. It gives me some derivatives that I can get, and lots of other really great information. Good example sentences here as well. You can usually find on learnersdictionary.com. Okay. So your textbook mentions dictionary.com. It's also a good site, but I think learnersdictionary.com is a little bit better for non-native speakers of English. They have here in the textbook an example from dictionary.com of what that might look like. So when you do the exercises here in the textbook, you're going to use the example dictionary results in your textbook, but you can also use your own online dictionary, or you could use learnersdictionary.com if you want to help you answer some of these questions. Okay, so go ahead and use the resources here. Do exercise 1 and 2. You'll use this page, gloss glycine. You'll use this dictionary page. It's a very old dictionary page to get some practice in answering these questions. And when you finish, make sure that you check the answer key. Post any questions that you might have to the discussion board.